Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blood Orange, and today we're going to be building the park in front of our rooftop garden build that we did last week. I wanted to go for a realistic city build with a sort of boring area in front of an apartment. I live in a city, I've lived in a city most of my life, and I find that any park that's in front of a bank or an apartment building or anything like that is just sort of boring with nothing to do. So I wanted to emulate that today. I went ahead and I started with a lot of my street lights and once again sort of my infrastructure. I always like to start with that because it gives me an idea of how much space I have to, I guess, create my vision. When starting the main part of this build, I wanted to be sure to include a couple things that I find quintessential to this type of park in a city. So a bike rack was definitely high on my list. I wanted a fountain of some kind and really minimal greenery. I know at this point I wanted to add a vendor, just a few things to make this feel like a park you might go to on a break from work, or maybe you're spending the day in the city and you just need to stop for a rest. Up here on the left is actually a farmer's market that I built that I actually lost a bunch of footage of. I basically wanted this area to be a literal farmer's market where the villagers are selling all of the goods, fruits, vegetables, everything they've been working so hard on the rooftop garden. And while I don't have all of the footage of me building it, I am going to be giving you a closer look later on. This is the part of the build where I feel like I started to see things come together. It really started to feel like a park. Once we got the flag up, once I got the fountain down, I could really feel people going on their lunch breaks here, people stopping for a cotton candy, and it came out a little bit more whimsical than I was planning, and I really like it. Here's a closer look at the farmer's market I was mentioning earlier in the video. I think this came out super cute. You can see fresh veggies, some infused water and flowers, and our little bear vendor. I thought it came out great. I am sad that we lost the footage, but still super happy with this build. That's basically the end of the build. We finished the front and the side. I'd like to show you the rest of it. Alright everyone, that's going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you do, you can subscribe for more like it on this channel. And again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.